Ori ICC Public, this is my 5th retake of this because each time I went on speaking and then I realized मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही बोल रहा हूँ. So this time I'm gonna try and keep it absolutely concise. Result day है, तुम लोग बहुत tense तो मैं कोई pep talk नहीं देना चाहता हूँ. I'll keep it very short. I'm speaking very fast because मेरे को just 2-3 facts बोलना है. Last year, people who got 99 were not happy because they couldn't get 100. People who got 95 were not happy because their friends got 98. People who got 90 were not happy because there were people above them. People who got 80 were definitely not happy because others were in 90s. And उसके नीचे जिनको आया वो लोग तो और भी sad थे because so मेरे को 90 क्यों नहीं आया? And then when I asked them पूरे 10 years में देखो अभी 90 आया and they are like नहीं सब बोर्ड में आना चाहिए था. ये रियलिटी चेक है गाइस. रिजल्ट्स को रियलिस्टिकली देखो. कुछ ऐसा मैजिक शो नहीं हो रहा है. दिस इज जस्ट a journey. You have evolved. That's it. Stop comparing yourself with other people. Fact बोल रहा हूँ, pep talk नहीं दे रहा हूँ. Those people who were unhappy last year are all happy today. मेरे को लोग मिलने आते हैं every year. People come. All the ex-students keep coming to meet me even now, and they've moved on. Last year जो बंदा बाहर रो रहा था मेरे साथ हग करते हुए कि सो मेरे रिजल्ट्स अच्छे नहीं है, आज वो एकदम happy है लाइफ में. They have moved on. They are doing good things. They may not get into a college of your, like if you're worried so मेरे को वो कॉलेज में एडमिशन दिया था, कट ऑफ नहीं, अरे भाई हो जाता है, सब कुछ वर्क्स आउट. तुम ओवर थिंकिंग में ही अपना टाइम स्पेंड करते हो. People who are in integrated have moved on. People who are in ISC have moved on. People who are in IB have moved on. Then why are you still stuck up? Don't worry about it. Scores are important because for us as teachers, for parents, it's an investment. हम लोग बैंक में जब कोई भी स्कीम में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, हमें जानना है रिटर्न्स कितना मिलेगा. तो ये हमारे रिटर्न्स वाला डे. We want to know आज स्टॉक्स किधर है, हम लोग कितना रिटर्न मिलने वाला है. That's about it. Nobody is judging you. एंड आई डोंट थिंक वो बॉलीवुड मूवीज वाले विलेंस अभी भी फैमिलीज में बैठे हुए हैं, और अगर बैठे ना तो उनका प्रॉब्लम है. जो स्नाइड रिमार्क्स मारेंगे, कॉल करके बोले अच्छा देखा मुझे तो पता था ये ना इज द ब्लैक शीप ऑफ द फैमिली, इसने तो कुछ किया नहीं, पूरा साल घूम रहा था, मार्क्स कैसे आएंगे, अब उसको बोल अब अपने वेज सुधारने को. भाई छोड़ना है यार. पीपल विल से इफ यू फील कि सर एक्चुअली नाउ एवरीवनस राइट, आई डिडंट वर्क हार्ड इनफ, देन सो व्हाट, you learned a lesson. Ultimately everything is about learning a lesson. No, you learned a lesson right now. There is nobody in the world who can judge you. कोई दूध का धुलवा नहीं. हम सब गलतियां करते हैं, अलग अलग टाइप की गलतियां करते हैं. एज अडल्ट्स वी मेक मिस्टेक्स. तो तुम तो बच्चे हो, सो ठीक है भाई. रिजल्ट को ना फालतू में हाइप करके रखते हैं. इट्स अ सेलिब्रेशन फॉर पीपल हु हैव वर्कड रियली हार्ड. दे वांट टू नो. सो इट्स जस्ट एक्साइटिंग, नो, लाइक हमने अगर रेस हम रन किया तो हम फर्स्ट आए, सेकंड आए, थर्ड आए. इट्स फन टू नो दैट. उसको फन की तरह ही लेना चाहिए. टेक इट एज अ फन थिंग. जस्ट एम्ब्रेस योर रिजल्ट्स, टेक द लेसन्स यू हैव टू लर्न फ्रॉम इट and move on. There are better things in life to focus on. None of these things are made up things. तुम्हारे सामने एक live example बैठा है. My results were horrendous. I keep saying this every year. I'm still saying it, and I say it with a lot of pride because this has shaped me in life. Not shaped me, but shaped me properly. I got 83 in 10th standard. I got 71 in 12th standard. I got 45 in my graduation. I got 55% in my post graduation. Everything that I am today is thanks to God's blessings, my hard work maybe, my skill sets, and people's good wishes around me. Life has a plan for you. It will work out. And last thing, this is something that I heard when I was a kid. I still believe it. I believe in this thing that when things work out your way, it's good. When things don't work out your way, it's better. Because you know, it's God's plan. God, universe, higher spirits, whatever you believe in. But there's a plan in action. Trust me, मैं 40 years के experience से बोल रहा हूँ. जब जब मेरे लाइफ में कुछ चीज वैसे नहीं है ना जो मुझे चाहिए होता है, like I want to buy something, I want, मेरे को ये प्रोडक्ट चाहिए यार, FOMO हो रहा है, मेरे को नहीं मिला, सेल आउट हो गया, I get something better. जब मुझे लगता है यार ये एडमिशन मेरे हाथ से छूट गया यार, why did this kid not take with me, 10 better admissions happen. जब मेरे को लगता है यार why did this kid not score, ये नहीं किया यार उसने अच्छा स्कोर, like I worked really, I was expecting this kid to score 100. Expectations होते हैं, I'm human. गलत बात है, I'm not glorifying it. Why am I expecting? But I'm also human, so I expected this kid to get better. That kid did not get the desired score. I get a bit disappointed, but today that kid is a celebrated writer. He's an author. होता है भाई. People have proven themselves. Nobody has the right to judge you. Nobody is going to judge you. It's a piece of paper. इसमें बहुत सारे factors involved. It's not just your skill set. There are other factors involved. I mean, you may have written an excellent paper, internals के score खराब हो सकते हैं. You may have written an excellent paper, paper sheet कहीं गायब हो सकता है. You may have written an excellent paper, the person who's checking the paper may not have had a good day, so maybe somewhere that's reflected in your paper. उसका गुस्सा, उस bad luck की बात कर रहा हूँ. Rechecking वगैरह वो सब secondary affair है. So rechecking के लिए देना चाहिए. It's a hit and miss. You've written the paper. If you feel super confident कि सब मुझे पता है, मेरे को इतना से ज्यादा स्कोर मिलना ही चाहिए था, मतलब if you feel देखो 20% ज्यादा स्कोर मिलना चाहिए था, 10% ज्यादा मिलना चाहिए था, then go ahead, give it for rechecking. Otherwise, just accept the scores and move on. These scores do not matter. Alright? It's just a learning lesson. This was everything I said is fact based. So don't turn around and tell me, sir, what do you know? So what would you know? हमारे ऊपर क्या बीत रही है? भाई, I've been giving board exams since 2007 perhaps. जितने बैचेस मेरे पास आउट हुए तब से मैं हर साल बोर्ड एग्जाम्स दे रहा हूँ. तुम दे रहे हो, मैं भी दे रहा हूँ. तुम नर्वस, मैं भी नर्वस. तुम एंशियस, मैं भी एंशियस. तुम सेलिब्रेट करो, मैं 10 times ज्यादा सेलिब्रेट कर रहा हूँ. I have seen it all. All of these people in the past who've given board papers, they are all happy in life today. Whether your scores were good or bad that time, it does not matter after 5 days. 5 days का celebration है, 5 days celebrate कर ले, 5 days nervousness ले ले, 5 days रो लेते हो, रोना है तो, although I don't think it's valid, education के पीछे आंसू नहीं बहाने चाहिए, tears are too precious, save it for something more important than that. And if you are in Mumbai, if you are in Palla, come hug me and text me your results, and I love you guys, and don't try to make other people feel bad about their scores कि ओ तेको नहीं आया इतना, ओ देख उसको नहीं आया. Don't be that person. I mean, because what's the point of you scoring good marks, but if you're not a good person, none of that matters. Alright, be kind to everyone. If you're not a 10th grade kid, then pray for your 10th graders, please, because when you are in 10th grade, you'll also need those prayers, right? So, all the best. And if you've already given 10, then pray for your juniors, because you know what you went through when your results were coming out. I love you guys. Sorry about the long video, and all the best. 10 o'clock exact, guys. 11 o'clock, 1 hour to go.